AI, or artificial intelligence, it's getting crazy.
If you don't like this video and subscribe to English Fiesta, I'm throwing the zebra! I'm serious!
Hello everybody, and welcome back to English Fiesta, your #1 source for English comprehensible input. Today, I want to talk a little bit about AI, or artificial intelligence. So today, it's June 27th of 2025, and AI-generated videos, just overall artificial intelligence, it's absolutely exploding. That means that everybody and their grandmother is talking about artificial intelligence, AI. People are talking, it's on the news, it's all over social media. AI-generated videos are getting millions and millions of views. It's absolutely exploding. And it makes sense because, well, the technology that we have now with AI, it's incredible. It's truly incredible. Basically, anything that you can think of, anything that you can imagine, you can create it. I can create it, you can create it, a 10-year-old could create it. It's that easy. All you have to do is write a prompt or type out a prompt. A prompt, well, that's just a series of instructions, okay? So you type out a prompt, right? What do you want the video to look like? What do you want the video to sound like? What style of video do you want it to be? You just type all that out, you press one button, and then boom, AI generated video. It's so easy, actually. It's so easy, and I'll show you, okay? So let's imagine that I want to make a video about a duck, okay? So I have a duck, but this duck can talk, okay? This duck can talk, right? It can talk and sound just like a human, and it has really large muscles, okay? So that's our video. A talking duck, you know, that has the body of a human and it has really large muscles, okay? I'm gonna write out my prompt, press one button, and then boom, video. Are you ready? Okay, ready, go.
If you don't subscribe to English Fiesta, I'm gonna tickle you. Subscribe!
Did you like the video? Did you like the talking duck that I created? Yeah, hopefully you liked it. But guess what? The video that you just saw, it took me less than 5 minutes to create. It was so easy. I wrote a prompt, I pressed a button, and then boom, I had a video. Isn't that amazing? The technology of generative AI and just AI in general, it has come so far. If you can remember, there was a time, you know, only a few years ago when AI videos, they used to look like this. Watch.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
As you can see, we've come a long way. That means that over time, we've really improved and made things better, right? It's incredible. So now that we have this kind of technology, I think that it can be really good. It can be a really good thing, but I also think that it can be a really bad thing, a really negative thing, okay? And I'll explain why. So a good thing. I think it's great because now that we have this kind of technology, this level of technology, we can do things that we couldn't do before, or things that only established professional filmmakers could do. Now, regular people like me, or maybe like you, we can do those things. So that's great. I think that overall, just creativity and just video quality, it can really be pushed forward, meaning it can really be enhanced or made better. So that's a really good thing. But at the same time, I think that this can also be very damaging, right? Very harmful for creativity, because now you can make something incredible and the artificial intelligence, the machine, it'll do all the work for you. You can write out entire videos, you can make entire songs, entire scripts, entire books, all through AI. All you do is write a prompt. So it's amazing, but it's also a little bit, it could be negative, okay? And there's also one more thing that I'll mention. AI technology, it's becoming so good, so advanced, so high quality that honestly, sometimes you can't even tell a real video from an AI generated video. The technology is becoming that good. On June 27th, 2025, you can still tell, right? There are still some things that let you know that, oh, this video is AI generated. But in 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, you won't even be able to tell. It's quite crazy. Already the technology, the programs exist where you can make a clone of yourself, okay? A clone is just a copy of yourself. So this is a digital clone, not a real clone. If I made a real clone, there would be another Greg here, but a digital clone. So what this digital clone does is it looks exactly like you, it talks exactly like you, it laughs exactly like you. It's basically you. It's crazy. So what people can do now is they can make 100% AI generated videos. That means that they never have to have a camera, right? They never have to go outside in nature, right? Their digital clone, the artificial intelligence, it can produce a video that sounds, that looks, that laughs exactly like that person. It's wild. I keep saying that, but it's crazy. People are already doing it. You see it a lot on social media. So what that means is that this video right now, I could be AI, I could be a clone, I could be a robot, and really, you wouldn't even know.
Hi guys, I am not a robot. I promise you I am not a robot. Subscribe to English Fiesta!
But honestly, cross my heart, I pinky promise you, I'm not an AI clone. I'm me. I'm the original Gregory Scott, I promise you. But honestly, the technology, it's getting really good. I could be 100% lying to you, but I'm not, okay? But, you know, I'm saying this, but I want to give you an example. I want to give you an example of how good this video quality is becoming, okay? So I'm going to generate another video, right? I'm going to generate an American guy, a black guy versus this British guy. So this is funny. Imagine that this is me versus Sam, okay? I'm gonna generate this video where we're having a face-off, right? Like a UFC style face-off. So it's looking like we're about to fight, okay? This video is gonna be 100% AI, and I want you to see the quality, okay? Are you ready? I'm going to write my prompt, click enter, then boom. Watch.
Subscribe to English Fiesta.
Yeah, do you see that? Does that make your mind explode? For me, it does. You know, AI, it's crazy impressive, but it's also a little scary, okay? Because who knows where the technology will be in 1 year, in 5 years, in 10 years, right? Who even knows? But anyways, I think there's a good thing out of all of this. With AI generated videos becoming more and more and everybody doing it, I think that what will become really important is realness, right? Authenticity, honesty. I think that these things we're gonna see will become more rare, but that means that they'll be more special. I think that sharing a story, right? Sharing an idea, sharing an emotion with people, I think that those things are going to become very valuable because that's what makes us human, right? Is that we can connect with each other. We can share stories, we can share experiences, we can share feelings, right? Those are all the things that make us human, and I don't think that that will ever go away. Actually, 100%. Being real, being honest, being authentic, that'll never go away. A machine, it could never. So I have peace with all of this. In a world full of AI generation that's just getting better and better, there's just more nonsense and more craziness, right? All these things. But being real, being authentic, being yourself, being human, I think that that will be very, very valuable. So this is Greg, the human, talking to you. AI, what it can do is generate any language, right? So it can generate Russian, it can generate Chinese, Spanish, Italian, all these things. But you're still a human, so that means you have to learn English this way. You have to learn English with comprehensible input. So I'll still be making videos. So for you, what you should do is just keep getting more and more comprehensible input, okay? Keep listening to people's stories, keep listening to people's experiences, and just experience the world in English, right? It's the best way to learn, and English Fiesta, we're your #1 source. We're going to help you with that, okay? So please share your thoughts with me. What videos do you want to see? What do you think about AI in general, right? Like the video, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.
Subscribe to English Fiesta. We make the best comprehensible input.
And scene. Please tell me I was recording.